Welcome to maintenance-free living here in Halls Crossing, where not only is the lawn taken care of by the HOA, but so is the exterior of your home. Primary bedroom and laundry, both conveniently located on the main level, and check out this large ensuite. Saving the best for last. I love this private oasis. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next listing, which, by the way, we got several coming. I'm Caroline Badgett, the agent who cares with Wallace Real Estate.